Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to upload my very first video and I'm super duper excited. I need your guidance, I need your support, I need your love. So help me grow my channel and do comment me in the comment section. That would help me to grow my channel better. Today I'm going to do a very new technique that is new to me. It's a negative painting and I'm going to do it with the leaf printing. So guys, just watch my video and at the end of the video do subscribe my channel to make my channel grow. Thank you so much.